Greetings, esteemed colleagues and readers. It is my pleasure to discuss about the uniqueness of different professions, their earnings, their area of specialization and why it is a good course to study. This video is divided into different sections: profession in biological sciences, which I'm going to provide an insight of its specialization, potential earning, pros and cons in it. They include biochemistry, combined biological sciences, microbiology, plant science and biotechnology, botany, zoology, aquaculture, genetics and biotechnology, biochemistry. Biochemistry is the scientific discipline that explores the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. It merges principles from both biology and chemistry to understand how molecules like DNA, proteins, enzymes, and lipids interact to sustain life, from cellular metabolism to genetic expression. As a field, biochemistry lies at the heart of modern science, supplying essential insights that advance medicine, agriculture, environmental protection, nutrition, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. A biochemist is a scientist trained to study the chemical and physical nature of biological systems, analyzing how cells work, how disease occurs at the molecular level, and how biological molecules influence life processes. They design and conduct experiments, interpret data, and apply their findings to real-world challenges in health, industry, and the environment. Purpose and goals of biochemistry. The core purpose of biochemistry includes understanding life at the molecular level, investigating how molecules interact inside cells to regulate functions like metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Disease research and treatment, uncovering the biochemical basis of diseases to inform diagnostics, therapies, drug development, and vaccines. Innovation in health and industry, developing new drugs, sustainable agricultural products, food safety tests, and industrial enzymes. Environmental monitoring and solutions, studying biochemical responses to pollutants and contributing to environmental protection strategies. DNA major areas of specialization. Biochemistry offers many subspecialties, including clinical biochemistry, biochemical analysis of bodily fluids for disease diagnosis, molecular biology and genetics, studying gene expression, DNA mechanisms, genetic engineering, enzymology and metabolism, enzyme function, metabolic pathways, and drug interactions, pharmacology and toxicology, drug action, toxic substances, therapeutic design, biotechnology and industrial biochemistry, bioproduct development, biofuels, industrial enzymes, environmental biochemistry, effects of chemicals on ecosystems and pollutant breakdown, career path and job roles. A biochemistry career typically follows this progression. 1. Educational journey. Bachelor's degree, biochemistry or related field, chemistry, biology. 2. Master's degree, optional, but often necessary for advanced lab roles and specialized positions. 3. PhD, required for independent research, academic leadership, and high-level R&D roles. Early career roles. Laboratory research assistant, quality control analyst, graduate researcher. Advanced and specialized careers. Research scientist, clinical biochemist, biotech pharmaceutical scientist, forensic scientist, environmental scientist, university lecturer or professor. Requirements to become a biochemist. To pursue biochemistry professionally, you generally need a bachelor's degree in biochemistry or a related science, strong foundation in biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics, laboratory experience, internships or research projects. For high-level research roles, master's or PhD with research focus. Professional certifications, optional depending on region and specialization. Current salary payment rates. Salaries vary greatly by country, sector, experience, education, and employer. Nigeria. Average annual salary, Around 1,965,270 nairas per year, about 160,000 nairas monthly, on average. According to surveys, monthly salaries for biochemistry roles often range from 100,000 nairas to 450,000 nairas plus depending on experience and job title. More experienced or specialized roles, e.g., senior research scientists may earn upwards of 1 million nairas plus per month in some settings. Abroad, typical international markets. In Western countries, e.g., Europe, average biochemist salaries can be around €56,000 to $60,000 per year and climb higher with experience. In the United States, median salaries for biochemists and biophysicists are often above $100,000 annually for experienced professionals. Job outlook and demand. Nigeria. Biochemistry is considered a growing field with opportunities in healthcare, food science, pharma, research labs, and academics. However, high-paying roles are competitive and often require postgraduate qualifications. Abroad. Global demand for biochemical expertise is expanding, particularly in pharmaceuticals, biotech, genetic engineering, and environmental sectors. Pros and cons of a biochemistry career. Pros. Best part. Deep scientific knowledge with real-world impact on health and industry. Diverse career paths, research, medicine, environmental science, education. Strong foundation for advanced science careers, medicine, pharmaceuticals. Possibility to work internationally with high-paying opportunities. Cons. Stressful side. Requires extensive education, often up to PhD, for top research roles. Entry-level salaries in Nigeria may be low compared to living costs. Job competition can be intense, especially in academia and research. Work can be highly technical, demanding meticulous lab processes and long hours. Conclusion. Biochemistry is a dynamic, intellectually rewarding, and impactful science career that bridges biology and chemistry to explain how life works. It offers multiple paths, from lab research and healthcare to industry and education, both in Nigeria and internationally. Salaries abroad are generally higher, especially for advanced, specialized, or research-focused roles, while in Nigeria, earnings are growing but still vary widely by experience and sector. If you're passionate about science and discovery, biochemistry can be a fulfilling career, but it demands commitment, strong academic performance, and often advanced study to reach top earning and leadership positions. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to get notified on my next video.